One of the major issues is that traditional accounting reports were often too slow and complicated. By the time of the financial data was compiled and analyzed, it was already outdated. This delay made it difficult for the manager to make a timely decision. Even today, while we have enterprise resources planning ERP system, many companies still struggle to fully utilize them, leading to the waste of investment and poor decision making. On the other hand, another problem is the over-reliance of the historical data. Traditional cost accounting focus on the past transaction, which may not reflect a current business environment. Standard costing method, for example, often distort product costs, leading to the incorrect pricing strategies. This can result business either overpricing their price and losing customer, or underpricing them and reducing profitability. The third one of the criticism in the management accounting system that there were traditional management tend to prioritize the short-term financial result, often at the expense of long-term business success. For instance, some companies focus too much on meeting quarterly profit target. As a result, they cut essential investment in research and development (R&D) and customer relationship management, which are crucial for the future growth. Lastly, traditional accounting system fail to account for the intangible assets such as brand value and customer relationship. In today's world, intangible factors like customer loyalty, brand reputation, and the employee certification can be just as important as physical assets. Yet, traditional accounting methods often ignore them, leading to the incomplete decision making. At the turn of 20th century, business faced challenges such as low productivity and efficiency. In response, Frederick Willow Taylor introduced a scientific management movement which aimed to improve work efficiency through systematic study and automated tasks. This study starts with the standardization of the work. Taylor believed that every job should have a precise method to manage efficiency, ensuring that workers follow the most effective technique. For example, Henry Ford, inspired by the Taylor principle, revolutionized automobile manufacturing by introducing the assembly line in the 1930s. Before this, workers would build entire car by themselves, which was slow and inefficient. The assembly line brought down production to the standardized repeating tasks and significantly reduced production time. As a result, Ford was able to cut the time needed to build a car from 12 hours to just 90 minutes, making automobile more affordable for average person. The second one is the efficiency through time and motion study. Scientific management introduced time and motion study to analyze how workers perform their tasks. The goal was to eliminate unnecessary movement and streamline operations to improve productivity. For an example, Taylor saw a study at Midville Steel. He observed workers using a different type of shovel to move material. Some were too big while others were too small. Through careful analysis, Taylor designed the optimal shovel size, which allowed workers to move more material with less time. This simple change tripled productivity and reduced labor costs. Lastly, the wage incentive for productivity. Taylor believed that workers should be rewarded for their efficiency. He introduced the concept of performance-based pay, where employees would receive bonus or higher wage for completing tasks more quickly and achieving productivity targets. For example, fixed rate wage system. In many factories, workers were traditionally paid a fixed salary regardless of how much work they did. Taylor proposed the fixed rate system where workers were paid based on the number of units they produced. For example, a factory making 10 widgets per hour would earn a cutting rate. If they increase production to 50 widgets per hour, they would pay more. This system motivates workers to be more productivity and efficiency. For the last part, the reason why management accounting lost relevance. The first one is the outdated method. The biggest takeaway is that traditional methods such as cost volume profit (CWP) analysis are no longer sufficient in the today complex business environment. This method worked well in the simpler times, but modern business require more advanced tools to analyze financial performance. The second one is the shift to the external use. Another significant change in the shift in accounting focus. Over time, management accounting become more about external financial reporting rather than supporting internal decision making. As a result, many companies found themselves in the disconnected from real-time financial information, making it harder for managers to respond to the market change. The third one is the new methodologies. Unfortunately, management accounting have evolved to address this issue. New methods such as activity-based costing (ABC) were introduced to provide more accurate cost allocation. Additionally, the balanced scorecard was developed to help business measure performance beyond financial metrics, incorporating customer certification, internal process, and the learning and growth. The last is the continuous innovation. Finally, one of the most important lessons from the relevant laws is that business must constantly innovate their management accounting practice. What worked in the past may not work today, and companies must adapt to stay relevant. Whether through technology, improved cost allocation, or performance measure technology, continuous improvement is the key.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome. We'll explore factors driving changes in organization activities and the key challenges that management accountants encounter in this dynamic business environment. We have two main factors driving the changes: environmental factors and organizational factors. We'll talk first about the environmental factors. First factor is globalization, which has transformed the business landscape, leading to increased competition and the need for organizations to meet global standards. Companies must adapt to international markets, ensuring attractive pricing, high quality products, and speedy delivery with excellent customer service. Second factor is technological advances, which is rapidly changing, therefore revolutionizing organizational activities. Changes like advanced manufacturing technologies, computer-aided design, and computer-aided manufacturing have significantly impacted how companies operate. Next is customer focus. There has been growing emphasis on customer relationships and satisfaction. Organizations must prioritize customer needs and expectations, which drives changes in their activities to ensure they deliver value to their customers. Another factor is regulatory changes, in which government regulations, often driven by accounting scandals and ethical failures, have led to increased monitoring and sanctions. Organizations must comply with new regulations, which necessitates changes in their activities. The last factor we'll cover for environmental factors is market competition. Intense competition in the global market pressures organizations to adopt innovative managerial practices such as just-in-time, total quality management, and advanced manufacturing technologies. Now, we'll move on to organizational factors. We'll start with restructuring, which is changes in organizational ownership such as acquisition or mergers, and organizational structuring like decentralization, downsizing, and outsourcing. This changes organizational activities. Second factor is core competencies. Organizations focus on core competencies, customer and supplier relationships, and teamwork to remain competitive. The next factor is informative technology. The adoption of information technology and enterprise resource planning systems drives changes in organizational activities, making process more efficient and effective. Lastly, we have corporate governance. Enhancement in corporate governance practices influence organizational activities, ensuring better accountability and transparency. With that, we have covered factors driving changes in organization activities. So now, we move on to talk about challenges faced by management accountants in the 21st century. First challenge is adapting to technological changes. Management accountants must keep up with rapid technological advancement, including new information and protection technologies. Continuous learning and adaptation to new tools and systems are essential to stay relevant. Secondly, value creation, in which management accountants are increasingly involved in. They need to identify opportunities for cost saving, efficiency, improvements, and value addition to support the organization's goals. Last challenge is cross-functional collaborations. The need for cross-functional collaboration has intensified. Management accountant must work closely with various departments to ensure relevant and timely information is available for decision making. In conclusion, the role of management accountants has evolved significantly in the 21st century. They face numerous challenges driven by environmental and organizational factors. To remain relevant and competitive, management accountants must be proactive, adaptable, and continuously strive to add value to their organizations. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I will be discussing the evolving role of management accountants, the essential skills they need, and the tools and techniques they use to drive business success. As organizations face increasing complexity, management accountants play a crucial role in ensuring financial stability and strategic growth. Let's begin with their roles. The first one, management accountants' roles. Traditionally, management accountants were responsible for financial compliance and reporting, but today, their roles have expanded significantly. Their responsibilities can be divided into three main functions, which is scorekeeping, attention directing, and problem solving. The first one, scorekeeping. Scorekeeping involves recording and reporting financial data accurately, ensuring compliance with regulation. The second one, attention directing, focuses on identifying key financial metrics that require managerial attention, helping organizations allocate resources efficiently. Lastly, problem solving has become one of the most important functions, as management accountants now provide strategic insight to help managers navigate uncertainties and improve business performance. Over the years, management accountants have taken on more strategic roles. Some of their key tasks include business performance evaluation, strategic planning, risk management, cost control, and profit improvement. They also assist in interpreting operational data, supporting decision making, and implementing business strategies. As companies face increasing competition, management accountants must integrate both financial and non-financial data to help organizations stay ahead. Management accountant skill. With these evolving responsibilities, management accountants must develop a diverse skill set. The most critical skill is analytical and interpretative ability, which helps them assess financial and operational data to provide valuable insight. Strategic thinking and decision making are essential, enabling accountants to contribute to long-term business growth. Leadership and communication skills are important because management accountants work with multiple departments and influence key decision makers. The ability to integrate financial and non-financial data ensure that organization makes well-rounded, informed decisions. Additionally, teamwork, IT or system knowledge, project management, and change management are also essential in today's digital and fast-changing business environment. Ethical consideration and professionalism remain a core responsibility, as accountants play a role in ensuring transparency and accountability. In short, management accountants must go beyond traditional number crunching and develop business acumen, leadership, and technological expertise to thrive in today's economy. Lastly, management accounting tools and techniques. To perform their roles effectively, management accountants use a variety of tools and techniques. Traditional methods such as budgeting, variance analysis, and cost control remain important, but modern businesses require more advanced approach. Activity-based costing, which is ABC, helps organizations allocate costs more accurately, while strategic management accountant, which is SMA, aligns financial insight with business strategy. The balanced scorecard integrates financial and non-financial performance indicator, ensuring a holistic approach to business success. Total quality management, which is TQM, focuses on continuous improvement to enhance operational efficiency, and economic value added, which is EVA, measures a company's financial performance beyond traditional accounting profits. Additionally, Six Sigma and just-in-time, which is JIT, methodologies are widely used to improve cost management and efficiency. With the increasing adoption of technology, management accountants must also embrace data analytics, automation, and AI-driven forecasting tools to remain competitive in today's dynamic business environment. To summarize, management accountants play a crucial role in modern organizations by providing strategic insight, directing managerial attention, and solving business problems. Their skill set has evolved beyond traditional accounting, requiring analytical abilities, strategic thinking, leadership, and a strong understanding of technology. Additionally, they utilize a mix of traditional and modern tools to improve financial and operational efficiency. As businesses continue to evolve, so too must management accountant, embracing innovation and adapting to new challenges.